First one from Alyssa. Can you list the top recommended crops to grow in the Calgary area, please? I'm trying to place a seed order for next year, so specific would be appreciated. Also, are there any I could put in now? Our peas never made it for some reason, so I'm wondering if I could plant something else in their space. You could. I mean, I don't think you can overwinter crops in Calgary like you do here because you're in a quite a colder zone. But yeah, you can plant stuff now. You could plant any kind of greens right now. You could plant carrots right now and have them before the cold. You'd have to get them out of the ground though, and then store them. If you had any brassica transplants, you could put them in now. I think Calgary is like what, a zone 3A or B or maybe a 4. But certainly greens and quick growing herbs and radishes, and yeah, you could put carrots in now too. Beets you could put in. You might be able to put some short season potatoes in now, actually. You could put in some red Norlands right now and have them ready before. They're not the best storage crop though. They don't store that well, but you could have them before the first like gnarly frost. You definitely wouldn't be able to put any warm weather crops in right now. Just short growing stuff. So basically anything with 60 days or less you could put in. You could, like I said, you could put in some brassicas, or maybe I said kale, but you could put in kale. If you had transplants that were about this big, you could put those in the ground right now and you would have them before the winter. So yeah, stuff like that.